technical difficulties.
Niggas stay talking, they ain't about shit. Pull up, Fetty, stay in my wallet. Mine gone insane, yo. If you get a problem, better not call me.
Pardon the technical difficulties.
And I ain't taking no more. The niggas grew up on school. What the fuck, dog? Now we getting back to the beginning. Game of scrimmage, I played the finish. Remember the old days, I was fucking around with women. We was backing up the drives like we was finished. Running around Corpus, two-door, I explore it. Hit the gas, then he floor it. We just took off for some more shit. But I gotta keep my money straight. 1-4 SUV behind me like motorcade. Shotting that bitch to the alarm and rate.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Hold on! It's not a Veneno, bro! I'm late to the party. You about to melt the bush? That'll tickle your eardrums, oh my god! Oh, we're doing this now! Oh my god!
Oh shit, there's Brian.
Oh god, there's more! Man, I just got here. Oh my god, bro. Redline the shit out of that car.
That's good.
There's no point. Bro, he has no plate. He's good, he's got it. No plate is crazy. Bro's running from the cops. Shit is fast as hell. Same with this. Bro's driving in slicks in the rain. Bro's just asking to die.
I work outside too, so you know.
Straight to the face. That's the best parking job you can get, to be honest. That's VIP as fuck. Look at Brian's walk. He's so firm.
He's so classy.
Bro, this Huracan got a lift kit, bro. My ears, bro.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
We're gonna burn the tree down. I can't. But we can't even get back. Bro, you about to get burned. Oh my god. Get me the fuck out of here. I can't hear anymore. I can't hear no more. Oh my god. I need to see this leave. Shut up. Shut up down there. What is that? Eat the ass. Oh my God. Hit the road. Let's go. Let's get it going. Bro, his son's driving. Oh! My head's shaking so bad. Swing to 48. Bro said tech what? Uh-oh, here we go. They're probably coming back. I'm gonna go this way. Come on, driveway! Good A90! Good A90! Oh my god! Oh my god! The Hellcat one is. My hat about to fly off my head! I'm gonna wear it like a state trooper.
Give me your license. Go get your license. Oh my god, why am I recording at 24 FPS?
24 FPS is goated. I don't know about you. Bro, is that thing electric? Oh, he on a perk today, bro. Wait, let's try and get out the fucking ropes. Oh, I'm going down to the light, baby. I'm going down to the light. Look at that thing. Holy shit. Bro's got an actual race car. Oh shit. We gotta stress the rear-wheel drive car. Come on, come on, come on. That's a takeover motherfucker. Look, he got no bumper. This thing cool as hell. Hey, he was. Oh, the Maserati acting out. Damn! Hey, you missed your turn. Oh, never mind. He found it. He on that limiter. Come on, Gary! You're so nice. What the hell? Bro lives right there. Oh my God. Yo, peer pressure him. Bro, he's back again. Why do they keep coming back? They had to drop off the M3. Bro's excited to be here.
Gary, Gary.
Wow, this shit's so loud.
Man, he threw that bitch in neutral. He ain't doing shit. Oh, shit. CMPD!
Oh, shit.
Old man was ripping it. He got can size on that. Oh, he going across, ain't he? Oh! Shit got eaten, bro. Bro was waiting a little too long. Damn, my exposure up high as hell. All right, we got the normal crowd. I think it's stock. I get it. Never mind. It's not stock, but it smells really good. How'd it get louder? Oh my God. I'm not getting that. It's too late. Let's listen to the V12 beauty. Right in the J. What was the point of that? What was the point of that?